going to share some fun and easy tips that will help you and your partner explore new ways to connect and enjoy each other even more. When it comes to plus-size sex, there's a lot of misconception and stigma surrounding it. But the truth is, being in a curvy body doesn't mean you can't have amazing, steamy, and fulfilling sex. In fact, embracing your body and celebrating your curves can actually lead to greater confidence and pleasure in the bedroom. So, let's dive into some practical tips and real-life stories that will help you and your partner spice things up and take your intimacy to the next level. Unfortunately, we live in a society that often perpetuates unrealistic beauty standards and shames those who don't fit into them. For plus-size individuals, this can lead to low self-esteem, body dysmorphia, and a constant sense of inadequacy. And when it comes to sexuality, this shame can be even more profound. But it's time to break free from these expectations and embrace our body's imperfections and all. One of the most important things you can do to enhance intimacy is to communicate with your partner. Talk about what you like, what you don't like, and what you're comfortable with. Don't be afraid to express your desires and boundaries, and make sure to listen to your partners as well. This will help you build trust, avoid awkwardness, and create a more enjoyable experience for both of you. 2. Explore different sex positions. Just because you're plus size doesn't mean you can't try out new and exciting poses. Experiment with different angles, speeds, and rhythms until you find what works best for you and your partner. And remember, it's not about the position itself, but about the connection and intimacy you share with your partner. 3. Create a comfortable environment for your intimacy game. This means getting rid of any distractions, turning off the lights, or dimming them to a level that makes you feel at ease. It's about making your partner feel seen, heard, and desired. So, take the time to set the mood, light some candles, and get lost in the moment. In addition to these tips, I've also spoken to many plus-size couples who've shared their own stories of empowerment and transformation. A couple of them shared with me about how they've learned to embrace their bodies, to love themselves, and to find confidence in their own skin as their own tips and tricks for enhancing intimacy. Some added that they also used sex toys to enhance their pleasure. It wasn't just about the toys themselves, but about the confidence and excitement they brought to their relationship. Sex is about connection, intimacy, and pleasure, not about body size or shape. Some people might criticize or judge plus-size intimacy, but these criticisms are misplaced and unfair. Sex is healthy and sexy regardless of body size. In conclusion, embracing body positivity and self-love is key to enhancing intimacy and pleasure in the bedroom. By communicating with your partner, exploring new positions, creating a comfortable environment, and embracing your own unique beauty, you can take your relationship to new heights. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share if you found values in it.